What's that?
Is something. Oh, so cute.
I see.
Yeah, so cute.
It's a dolphin.
Yeah, but I don't know how to put together.
It's okay.
But it's
I'm gonna kiss you.
bouncy. Do anyone that has
Okay, what about the second one?
do anyone has seemed to be a bit shy to see me? Should we get the little try of my stomach? Start opening.
Alright.
What should it be inside now? Maybe.
Wow. What's that?
Oh, it's like painting or something. Oh, it's a different color.
So there's green
and
red.
But it looks like orange.
I think so too. It's orange.
Just like that. Then, I think
It's super cute. It's like your nail polish.
I something.
Where is it?
Oh.
Okay, you try the next one.
Okay. Yeah. And now should we get ready to start?
Sure.
But maybe can I show you one of my books?
Okay, what do you have there?
I don't know. I can't wait. Oh.
Oh.
But there's a lot of pieces.
Oh, I think. What's that?
I don't know. It's not a Hello Kitty.
I think it's some bracelet. Let's try to fix it.
Oh.
So we're trying to fix this cute green bracelet. That's super cute.
Oh. Can you help me?
Sure. So we have tried to connect the bracelet and that's it.
But I think we have one more left.
Yes.
Oh. Maybe should we open it up? And quickly. Oh. It looks like a crayon. It's like a crayon. I think it is a crayon.
Let us check if it's a crayon.
Oh, it is a crayon. But where's just now? That's the other part.
It's, what color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Ooh, it's...
Thank you for watching, Chaxelle.
Eh? Wait a minute. But I'm trying to fix this. Oh.
See you again soon.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Watch out for this page. See you all.
Yes. Even this cute heart, cutie heart. Miss you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and like.
Yay!